who can relate to this? You've been working hard for years, doing everything you're supposed to do, and you still feel like you don't have enough time. You don't have enough time for your family, and you don't have enough time or hours in the day to catch up financially. For a long time, that was me. I'm a married empty nester, mom of 4 living in Missouri, and I actually had to resign from my teaching job several years ago due to a chronic illness. I was searching for a way that I could make money from home and work online in a flexible way that fit my real life. And honestly, I had tried a lot of things. I had a couple of Etsy shops, I had a health and wellness blog, and I did freelance writing. I tried all these things, and some of them were interesting and fun, but they took a lot of time, I was working at least 40 hours a week. And it was too much for me and where I was at with my health at the time. What I finally realized was this: it wasn't that I wasn't working hard enough, it was that I didn't have the right system. I thought that I needed more time, more energy, more effort, but I actually didn't. I needed something simple and something that actually fit my life and my health and where I was at. What changed for me was learning how to build something online in a way that didn't take over my whole life. Something that I could work on in just a couple of hours each day. Some days I work 2 hours straight, and some days I work a little bit here and a little bit there. But I get to work from home on my own schedule around appointments, fun things that I go out and do with my grown kids or my husband. And I'm really grateful that I have that flexibility now. And this matters so much because most moms and dads and empty nesters don't need another job. We need something that gives us our time back. Time for our family, time for our friends, time to do the things that matter the most. So what I did was I started following a step-by-step blueprint that walks through this in a really clear way. And it showed me exactly what to do. You don't need a degree to get started. You don't need experience. It's perfect for beginners. If you want to follow what I'm doing and you want a copy of the blueprint, you can either drop ready for the free blueprint or you can just go to my website, which is mydailypayway.com. And if you go there, you just pop your email in and then you will get a couple of short videos along with the blueprint in your email, and it will explain everything.